can see this. But there's where the lower coolant hose goes in, and the bolt right next to it is a water pump bolt, and it's leaking coolant, and we're stopped, we're cold, and it's dripping. So we have to take that out. Why this happened, never mind. I know why it happened, but we'll figure out how to get there. Bye. So here we are, looking between the expansion tank on the Taurus here and the alternator down into the pulley well, where all the pulleys are that you can't even get to. But we're going to work on it. So first thing I'm going to do is take off this expansion tank because it's just in the way. Okay, so a pair of pliers. Took the top two hoses off, here to here and here to here, fairly easily. Loosen the clamps with them and wiggle them off. Wiggle them off carefully. There's another hose down here on the bottom. I'm gonna have to get that one off. Oh wait, can't even see it. I'll get back to you on that, but there's another hose on the bottom which actually pulls coolant back into the radiator system when it's cooling down. Okay, so here we are again. That bolt has to come out. It's a 10 millimeter, and there's another bolt over here, and the whole plastic thing actually slides in through a clip system into the frame, so you'll have to pull it up, I believe, and out. I'll get to that. And you can see down there it is. There's the lower connection. I'll get to that after I loosen these upper bolts. So the front side coolant tank bolt came out fairly easily. Geez, I don't know where, but here it is, right here. Okay, right there. Don't lose that. The backside one, a bit more of a problem. Didn't move at all, but not a problem because the hole rusted below it was so big the whole thing just lifted out. Move this stuff carefully. And the tank has this, you can see it right there, ability to clip into the sidewall right there. That lifts out. I still have the lower hose connection to get off, which is, where is it? Right there. There it is. Okay. So I used regular pliers to move the spring clamp back on the hose there. It's kind of tight still. I'm going to use a screwdriver to try and pry that free. Screwdriver didn't work quite that well, so I yanked it up a little bit so I have some room. I'm going to try to put some pliers on that and wiggle it. So here it is. It's still stuck on there. It's kind of hard getting it off. Wiggle it some more. And it's off. That was the problematic lower one. Not sure how we're going to get that back on, but that's later. So here's why we pulled that off. Access to this area is extraordinarily difficult with that expansion tank in place. Even still, we have these air conditioning lines down here that aren't going to move very far, but at least we have more room to work with. Okay.